Hey champions, there is an important update for UGNEET aspirants who have registered themselves through the KEA portal. It's about the caution deposit. I think some of you might have seen this particular PDF, and for those of you who do not know anything about this, let me explain it to you in a brief manner. Okay, so over here, the first point, let's read it point by point. Schedule is published in the KEA website to pay the caution deposit from 9th of September to 11th of September. So, the time period during which you have to pay the caution deposit is only until day after tomorrow. Okay, today is 9th of September, day after tomorrow is 11th. Only during this particular period you can pay your caution deposit. Okay, going ahead, all the eligible candidates who have exercised choice 2, as in, what do you mean by choice 2? Children who have opted for accept the seat and upgrade. So they want to still see that whatever college they could get in the next round. So those children who have went for accept and upgrade, and then children who have went for choice 3, that is reject the seat and then upgrade, and seat not allotted candidates, those children who did not get any seats as of now, will be allowed to do what? Will be allowed to reorder the options based on the first round choice selection for the second round from 8th of September to 11th of September. So during this period, okay, all of you, the 3 categories of children, can modify, reorder your options, okay, for the next round. Now, coming to caution deposit, which was written, eligible candidates, okay, those children who are eligible and is willing to participate in the second round, okay, these children are eligible, okay, and they are willing to participate in the second round, should pay the caution deposit of ₹1 lakh. If you want to go ahead with second round, children, you have to make sure that you are paying the caution deposit, which is 1 lakh. Do not be worried about your 1 lakh. I'll tell you where will it go, okay, to become eligible to participate in the second round. So for becoming eligible, you have to pay this. If you are not paying this, you are not allowed to get into second round. You are not allowed to go ahead with second round. Okay. So there's a change for SC/ST candidates. You have to pay ₹50,000 instead of 1 lakh. Okay. Going ahead, if a candidate fails to pay the caution deposit, what could happen? To participate in the second round for UG seats, then such candidates will not be considered for second round medical seat allotment, even if they have reordered the medical options for the first round. So as you saw over here, they were saying that you have to reorder the options and everything. But if you're just reordering the options and not paying the caution deposit for the second round, then children, there is of no use. You won't be able to participate in the second round allotment. That means you won't be getting seats in the second round allotment if you are not paying the caution deposit. So anyhow, what do you have to do? In simple language, if you are going ahead with second round allotment, please pay the caution deposit. It will be ₹1 lakh, okay, for general candidate students, and then for SC/ST, it is ₹50,000. Agree? Going ahead, if a candidate gets the medical seat, what could happen? If the candidate gets the medical seat, the caution deposit paid by the candidate will be adjusted towards the fee. So whatever your fees is, it will be adjusted to. For example, your fees is 5 lakh. Just a random number, okay? So then 1 lakh will be from the caution deposit, it will be adjusted. So now you have to just pay 4 lakh because 1 lakh you already gave in before, okay? Now, if a candidate gets the medical seat in the second round and fails to pay the balance fees or fails to report to the college, caution deposit paid by the candidate will be forfeited. As in, what do you mean by that? Basically, I was a candidate, okay, I paid the 1 lakh caution deposit, but now when I got the seat, I didn't go to the college. First option, I didn't go to the college or report to the college. That means the caution deposit that I gave will be gone. It will be to the KEA people only, okay? I won't get it back. That's what you mean by forfeited. Now that is one thing, that by chance if I am not reporting to the college, that money is gone. Second thing, if I am reporting to the college but not paying the extra, the sum that was left, that means 4 lakh. I said 5 lakh was the fees, 1 lakh was the caution deposit, 4 lakh I still have to pay. If I am not paying that fee also, then also my caution deposit will be gone. So 2 scenarios, I am telling you again. If I've already paid the caution deposit, okay, but still I'm not reporting to the college, then my caution deposit is gone. Tata bye bye. Second scenario, basically I am not paying the rest amount of the fees, then also my caution deposit will be forfeited. That means it is gone. So I hope you got this. So you just have to go rearrange your order for the next round, okay. After that, you have to fill the or pay the caution deposit and then wait for allotment. If you're getting allotted, the fees, the caution deposit will be deducted from the fees itself, so you do not need to worry about your money. Okay. Now, if you have got the seat, please report to the college, otherwise your money will be gone. Okay. I hope this is clear. Now, all the best for second round and take care. Bye-bye. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel as well, and do not forget to smile as well. Bye.